This is fully a working expense tracker chart with dark mode. It remembers my data even after I close it, and it exports straight to a spreadsheet. Here is this thing. I didn't code any of it. I built it by typing plain English. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to build the whole thing again from scratch in front of you. So you can do the exact same thing tonight. Setup is almost nothing. A free account at a cloud.ai. No download, no terminal, no GitHub. The feature we will be using is called Artifact and ask Claude to build something and it open to live preview right next to the chart. You type, it build, you use it, let's go. Here is the whole trick and it what most people get wrong. Don't ask AI for code, ask it for app. Describe it like you are briefing a freelancer. What you add, what you see, how it should feel, then hit enter and watch. And it's building. You can watch it lay the whole thing out. No installing anything, no copying files. It just appear. And there it is, a real app in the browser. In about 40 seconds, it fills categories alive total up to perfect. Not yet real completely. Let's actually use it. Step 2 of the loop I use in every build the second it exits. Test it like a real user. So let's live a fake financial life. Food, travel, groceries, and obviously coffee break. Total tracking and notice it's vomiting everything in Canadian dollar without me asking. Let me try to break it. I will add an expense with no description and it won't let me. Same if I try a negative amount, it validating my input, which mean I can't accidentally populate my own data. And there's a delete button on every row, so cleaning up is easy. So what actually missing? Two things. One, I can see that I spend, not where it's going. Two, if I tab the wrong amount, I can delete the row, but I can't just fix it. There is no edit. Let's solve both. I'm not starting over. I'm telling it what I found. Both problem. One message. Plain prompt. Build, test, refine. That's the loop. And it's how every software team on earth actually work. You just get to do it by talking. It's rewriting the whole app to fold the new feature in quick corners note. Your version will look a little different from my same prompt, different design choices. That's normal. It's not a vending machine, it's more like a contractor with an opinion. Set the budget, click edit on the coffee row, change the amount, pie chart live. So now I can see the damage. Every row has an edit button now. So let me fix the coffee instead of deleting it. Done. And the monthly budget. Let's set a dollar amount. Watch the progress bar. Add a rent payment to push it over. And it goes red. Actually warn me before I overspend. Two problem, one sentence fixed. What separates the one of demo from an actual workflow? You don't stop at a good enough. You keep asking, do more thing, dark mode, because I'm not a monster, and an export button so this data can leave the app live in a real spreadsheet. Toggle dark mode, then click export. Dark mode, one toggle, instant, and an export button. Click it, open what's come out. And there is my data. Clean rows ready for spreadsheet, but testing again. Look at the bottom. Every row here, but there is no total. The app shows my total on screen, but the export doesn't carry it. Small thing, annoying thing, so I'm not going to live with it. I'm going to ask for exactly the fix. And this is the part I want you really get. I didn't rebuild the export. I didn't explain CSV formatting. I described the gap, the total missing, and let the AI handle how. That's the entire skill. Notice what's wrong, say it plainly, ship the fix. Export again, open it, and there is a total right at the bottom. The loop didn't stop at it work. It went until it was actually right. And it's never has to stop. Filter by month, one sentence, recurring bills, one sentence. So here is your homework. Build this access tracker. All four prompts are on the screen and in the description. And then add one feature I didn't drop it in the comment. Best one get pinned and might become its own video. That's the whole method. Discover the gap, not the code. Use it like a real user and hunt for the problems. Feed the problem back in a plain prompt and don't stop at it works. Go until it writes. Build, test, refine, repeat. Every video, we take one idea and make it real. Next time, the world messiest spreadsheet turn into a live dashboard with one prompt. Subscribe so you don't miss it.